Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's class we're going to be doing just this. You see, very simple, right? Very simple. You can do it. If you want to know, I make this. You see, it's very full. There's no space inside, there's no space in between. This is called back stitches design. So if you want to know, I make this straight line, make sure you watch this class. Don't just go back. Watch and this is beautiful bead I'm going to use for it. So that's nice. Oh, I love pink is my best color. I love blue too. Okay, just watch the end of the class. Please like, don't just watch alone. Like, subscribe and comment, please, and share my video, guys. Share my video. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate that. This means a lot to me. Thank you, guys. God bless you as you watch the video. Hello, welcome back once again. So today's class we are going to be doing back stitches and slant design. So you are going to watch carefully and practice and do everything I'm doing here. Okay, so I'm using this pink bead. Oh, it's beautiful. So I've already sketched something out here, so I'm going to follow this line. So first of all, I'm going to go for the back stitches. You can call it back design. So we'll be going back and front. I pick 4, so I pull it down. Measure this way. Measure this way. I'll put my needle where the bead stop, and I'll pull it out at the downside. So I'll come back again on the third one, not here. The third one, I'll bring it out in the third one. I draw it out this way. So you now insert your okay, you put it from here, it'll come out from the third one and draw it out this way. If you pick another, you can pick 4, 5, 1. So pick another one again. Draw it down this way. Okay, so where it is, insert your needle, bring it out at the downside, and bring your needle up again, up the last one here, the middle of this one, the first one here, bring it out here this way, draw your needle out and insert it back again to the first one. So we pick another one. So lay it down flat where the bead reach, where it end, insert your needle there, bring it out at the downside and bring it out again. The last one here, is bring your needle out this way and insert it and put it inside like this. So you take another one. I think you can see the difference between tracing and back stitches design. This one we are going back, we are coming up, going back, coming up. So you measure it again where your bead stop, insert your needle inside and draw it out. And draw it out this way and bring your needle outside at the last one. After bringing your needle out, you insert it back to the last one and bring it out, and you pick another bead. pick another bead. Please kindly subscribe to my channel and share my video, and do turn on the notification bell so you can get notified when I posted a new video. Just be doing it the same way, be going inside, coming outside, going in, coming out. Bring it out at the last one and put it inside back again this way. So pick another one again. Always measure it. Always make sure you're measuring it. The last one, you insert it inside and bring it out. Bring it out back at the last one here, this way, and insert it back inside. Put it back inside like this, and you pick another bead. You see, it's very simple as ABC. Very, very simple. There's no adding beading. You just take a lot of patience and practice. That's why I'm here for you guys. We are done. Very simple as ABC. With this one, you can use to, and with this pattern, you can bead it on any pattern. And any pattern you draft out, maybe the pattern is already on your fabric, you are good to go. We have just ended the two line here. Okay, you are good to go. Just make sure you are practicing. Keep on practicing. Keep on practicing until you can do it very well, like very, very, very well. Keep on practicing. Yes, and we are done. Very, very. Let me bring my camera closer to it. You see how beautiful it is? Very, very beautiful. You see? So there's nothing add in beading. There's nothing add and there's nothing special in beading. You just take a lot of patience and you practicing. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you guys know one or two things from it. If you have any question, always comment down below. Subscribe to my channel, like my video, share my video, share. As you share, God bless you. God bless you. Share my video and follow us on our social media page: Facebook Tori for Beading, on Instagram Tori Beading Classes. Thank you so much. See you in my next class. Bye. I love you guys all. Bye.